Welcome back to my channel. We have the mini mic today. It's so fun. Welcome to moving vlog number 2. We're in the new house. If you missed my last video, go watch that and then come meet me back here. I'll wait for you. I had to take a pause on last week's upload because I got so sick. I was down and out for like 6 days. I feel like everyone and their mother is sick right now. It really took me out. It was bad, but I'm better now. And we're carrying on with the moving vlogs. I want to give you guys a tour so you can see the current setup, what we're working with. Nothing is set in stone of like placement and organization of things. So please, all your advice, recommendations are welcome. Also, you guys had a lot of questions in my last video about just questions about the house in general, questions about living with my boyfriend, questions about living with my boyfriend's twin brother, all sorts of stuff. So leave all your questions in the comments, and then in the next moving vlog, I will answer everything. Before I give you a tour of what everything is looking like in here, we're gonna do one of my most dreaded tasks, building furniture. No thank you, but we gotta do it. So I'm just gonna get it done this morning. Screw it. Having you here is motivating me, not gonna lie. So let's head upstairs into the 3rd bedroom. This is my closet, getting ready room. I have a desk in here to get work done, dual purpose room, but really it's like my getting ready room, closet, and I need some more space for my clothes. So I got this clothing rack. We're going to put it together. It's always very intimidating putting together furniture, especially when it comes in small boxes. My bar cart that I made downstairs, I think I put that together. It was from Amazon. It took me about 3 hours to put together. I'm not even exaggerating. It came in a box half the size of this one, and I did it all by myself. Not to brag. It was actually hell. But she's still kicking. She's still kicking. We still got her 4 years later. But yeah, whenever large furniture items come in small boxes, you should be scared. Who knows? Maybe we'll be surprised. Maybe it won't be that bad. It's actually the next day now, but I built that clothing rack. It looks great. It's holding all my clothes. It's very packed, but it's super sturdy. I'm really happy with it. I'll link it down below. My mom had actually recently bought one that she was unhappy with. It really wasn't sturdy, and I think it like fell over immediately after she put all her clothes on it. 10 out of 10 with this one. I also just built a chair for that room as well. And then I also spent the whole day yesterday really getting that room organized. All my clothes are organized, my shoes, makeup, everything, at least for now, is where I want it to be. Also, how cute are these pajamas from Target? They're adorable, and they're so like lightweight but still thick enough. You know, this is a nice happy medium. They're very thin but still have a little bit of thickness where like I can wear them in the summertime and the winter. But yeah, just slowly getting everything super organized and where I want it in here. I just did 2 baskets of laundry. I want to make a matcha right now, get some caffeine in me. I cut my finger so deep on the giant square ice cube tray, like the actual ice cube. Sliced my finger so deep. But I'm going to show you guys a little tour of what things are looking like right now. Again, nothing set in stone. Tell me where I should put things. Just a little update. From this angle, we're in the kitchen. Obviously, not much to do in the actual kitchen, but this little corner, what should we do? So I put our bench here. I didn't know where else to put it for now. I think it looks fine over here. Let me know if you think there's another spot. But we could always put it in our bedroom. So excited about my new crock pot. I'm gonna make dinner in this tonight. This circle mirror, I'm thinking will go above the bar cart. So circle mirror above the bar cart, maybe do something in the corner. I don't know, you tell me. Moving over here, also we have blinds coming for the entire house. So we just have like blankets, sheets covering all the windows for now. Any ideas? Like I am open to like getting new things. It's really like the small little decorating things that I always need help with. Also just like placement, like this chair, like there's just no good spot. Again, tell me, like, let me give you a little like circle overview. We're back in the kitchen. In my first video, my first moving vlog, someone was like, I would have loved to see the basement and the attic space, so I'll show you that. This is our little laundry room. It's so bright. I love it. Going down to the basement, it's such a mess. Desperately needing to be organized, but here you go. Just like, honestly, a ton of boxes, storage stuff. There's a little room over here. Was that everything that you thought it would be and more? Let me show you upstairs and what's going on up there. So grabbing my matcha. We have my big mirror. I didn't really know where to put this. Could go in our room somewhere, but there's really nothing in here right now except for our bed and our nightstands. Definitely a work in progress. And then this is my little closet getting ready room. I don't love having everything just like out. It feels like a little bit much to me, but again, it really is like a closet getting ready space. And then I'm using this as like my vanity desk. It's really been so nice having this room already because I'm just able to come in here, crank out work, sit down and focus, and like not having a bed or a couch in here is really good for me because I see the bed or the couch and I'm like, I should go sit and do my work there. That'll be comfy. And then I'm just not as productive as if I'm like forcing myself to sit at a desk for hours. Oh, I was gonna show you the attic. Let's do that. It's like kind of spooky, honestly. Very dusty. Smells like an attic. Like there's kind of some random stuff up here. It's very hot. But this is the attic. It really could be such a cool room if it was finished. We've got laundry going. I did some dishes, tidied up a little bit, and I also got started on dinner. I'm using my new crock pot for the first time. You really can't see the color on camera, but it's like the same color as my sweatsuit. It's showing up really red on my phone, and then it's so dark on this camera. But I'm making Marry Me chicken, which I make a decent amount, but never in the crock pot. So we're trying it out, and we'll see how it goes. I've actually never made anything in the crock pot before. Like I said, this is my first crock pot, but not even growing up, I actually was like very anti crock pot. Both my sister and I don't really know why. We just really didn't like dinners from the crock pot. I should call her. Like, I'm not against it anymore, but I wonder if she still is. Hey.
What's up?
Do you remember when we were younger and we like hated crock pot meals?
Yes.
Why was that?
Because the oven was broken.
Oh, yeah. How? Because our oven was broken for a long time. So we were like strictly eating out of the crock pot for like
a
long time.
I remember like watching videos on YouTube of like people making cupcakes and stuff. Like I would watch like Cupcake Wars and like, and I'd be like, damn.
Okay, that makes so much sense. I was like, were we really that rude to my poor mother? Like, was her food that bad that we were like boycotting the crock pot? No, it was because our oven was broken for like months. We got so sick of it. So funny. But I hope my meal turns out well. I feel like it's very fall that I'm using my crock pot tonight. It also kind of feels like fall today, actually. It's got like a nice little chill in the air, which is a nice switch up because it's been really, really hot, but I'm not complaining. I do not want the cold yet. But I am in a sweat set and my slippers. I just love being cozy. Like I always, every year in the summertime, I just look forward to it cooling down just so I can wear like hoodies and sweatpants and cozy clothes. And fall is just my favorite. Like I don't want to rush it, but I'm so excited. My fireplace mantle is gonna be so good in the fall. I'm so excited to decorate it. We're gonna have so much fun. And then same with Christmas, and it's gonna be amazing. Hello, happy Sunday. It's been a minute since I picked up the camera, honestly. We were doing a ton of traveling towards the end of July and then really all of August. On top of that, like I already mentioned, I was sick. Life has just been really chaotic, especially throwing in this spontaneous move. It would have been chaotic without it. And then with the move, it's just been a lot. This month has flown by, which makes me really sad because I'm not ready for summer to be over. I love fall. Fall's my favorite season, but I don't want to rush the summer, and August has definitely gone by way too quickly. Naturally, with being so busy, I'm like, wow, it's the last week of August. When did that happen? I need to run to TJ Maxx or Marshall's right now. I have a couple things that I want to get for the house, and then I'm going to do a grocery pickup order from Aldi's and Wegmans. We haven't done like a big grocery haul yet since being in the new house, so this was a pretty large one. It was really disgusting. Detrimental to the bank account for sure. It's so sad. It really feels like eating out is like just as expensive as groceries these days. But I planned out our meals for the next 2 weeks, so we should be good. And I'm trying to be a little bit smarter with my grocery shopping, and that's why we do Aldi's and Wegmans. I like to get our meat from Wegmans, and then I just price check everything else between Aldi's and Wegmans, and wherever it's cheaper, going there to get that. And the pickup order makes it so easy. Marshall's run, there were so many cute Halloween fall decor things. I loved these little flower sparkly pumpkins. I really loved these though. I actually picked them up. $7.99. I got the cream and the orange. I am in need of some plant stands. We're gonna hold off though. I'm excited to get some mums this season. One of the things that I actually came here for was a jar for my brown sugar to have by my little coffee station. I also got that black trash can for our first floor bathroom. I got distracted. How cute is this Winnie the Pooh mug? It's adorable. But I really did like this striped jar, but it just felt like a lot to commit to the stripes, you know? I liked this brown toned one as well, but I did end up just going with a simple clear mason jar one. I actually have the larger size of this, so it works out. I also grabbed these strainers. They were like $5. It was great. I also grabbed this little pot. My idea with this, I can use it for cooking, of course, but using it as a simmer pot, a little bit on the pricier side, but I really wanted it. I could not find the hand soap dispensers for the life of me. I literally found one, and it was this one, and I found another one that looked like a mushroom. We weren't doing all that, so I grabbed that black one. It'll go with our upstairs bathroom, so it works out. Then I went to Aldi's, Wegmans. If you live near a Wegmans, it's like totally one of those if you know moments. Wegmans is like the best grocery store on the planet. Can you guys guess how much money you think this grocery haul was? It was like almost $500. Sick. Actually sick. And like, I'm not just like randomly buying. Like, I have meals planned out, lunches, breakfast. Like, it's not a free-for-all. It's fucking crazy. Anywho, I put all the groceries away. I actually reorganized our fridge because it desperately needed it. Like I said, we haven't done a really large grocery haul since moving in. That's also probably why it was so expensive. Had to restock on a lot of the essentials. It's giving scary movie. I'm wearing that viral TikTok mask. Love Island reunion comes on at 9 p.m. Eastern. Very excited for that. And I got some sushi. Shrimp tempura roll, no gluten-containing ingredients because I have celiac. I feel like I need to mention that like at least every couple videos so everybody is aware. And then my gluten-free girls know that I'm in it with them. But this is gonna be amazing. Soy sauce. I'm so excited about the Love Island reunion. I feel like it's gonna be so good. We're having our little Hailey Bieber sushi moment, but I don't have any chopsticks. So good. Also, I think I'm watching my first ever season of Traitors when the new season comes on because my boy Rob from last season of Love Island USA is on it. But I'll be watching that season. I told Brody, I'm like, hey, just so you know, Rob's on the new season. We're gonna have to watch that. I love sushi. We're gonna have one more move-in vlog after this, I believe. Let me know what you guys want to see. I have a lot of things to do still around the house, like decorating, of course, is going to be a major one in the next one, as well as basement organization. I need rugs. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, if there's anything specific that you like to watch in the moving vlogs, because I'll probably do like one more dedicated moving vlog. In between then, though, is going to be a fall shop with me and my mom. So we're gonna do that this weekend. That'll be next week's video. So excited about that.